Hey everyone, today I'm here with this 2015 Chevy Silverado 3500, and if you're looking for an incredible truck that has a chassis cab and tons more, then you're going to want to check this out. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for the past 2 years, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this black exterior color. You have your chromed out grille in the front, with your Chevy badge in the middle, and then you have your projector beam headlamps with fog lamps below, and you do have 2 tow hooks in the front as well. This has a 6.6 liter engine and also has that Allison Duramax transmission, so you can see that badging on the hood there. And then looking down at your wheels, those are 17-inch wheels. And then this could fall under our smart warranty, and if it does, it'd be our 5-year, 60,000-mile max care coverage and more. And to learn more about that warranty, give us a call here at Woody's. One of our friendly sales advisors will get you more information about that. Your side mirrors have indicator lights on them, and they are power adjustable with towing mirrors, so you can see easier around your blind spot. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these amazing cloth seats, really comfortable. You have that texturized insert in the middle. Your driver's side is power adjustable. And then looking at your steering wheel, it is leather wrapped. You have your cruise control settings, cluster controls, and your Bluetooth streaming. You do have your trailer brake and your light buttons over on the left there. And then looking at your media center, lots of options. You have your audio settings here, so all of your different radio options. You can subscribe to XM radio if you choose to. You also have your phone settings, so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth. And then you have your navigation system here, so you can get to your destination really easily. So there are all of your different apps, including all of your settings and stuff. So you can customize everything how you like it. You have your radio buttons there, CD insert, and then your climate controls are down below. They are dual, so you can have different settings on each side. And then you have all your extra buttons down here, your power pedals, traction control, bed light, exhaust brake. And then looking at your center console, you have 3 cup holders. Can open that up for some space in there, and then this does fold up so you can fit a 3rd person in this front seat, and then you have more room down below as well. Then looking up, you have OnStar, which is subscribable, and universal garage door openers. So let's look at those back seats. So looking at this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You do have a cup holder armrest that can fold down with 2 cup holders, and then these seats are also split bench, so you can fold them up so you have more room. I also really like this vinyl flooring, so it's easy to clean off. Then making your way around the side, you can see your chassis cab. You do have a 5th wheel hitch located right in the middle, but this is really versatile, so it really lets you have exactly what you need. You know, you can do everything yourself how you like it. You do have your tow package right there as well. So if you want to see this Chevy Silverado or any of our other trucks, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that's quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in my lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.